Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from CSGO workshop maps in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several profile-related options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can access various features and settings related to your account. Once you're on your profile page, look at the right panel of the screen. You'll notice several options listed there. Click on Workshop Items. This section shows all the content you've interacted with from the Steam Workshop, which includes maps, mods, and other user-created content across different games. It's a centralized place to manage everything you've subscribed to over time. Next, in that same right panel, you'll see an option labeled Subscribed Items. Click on it to filter and view only the workshop content you're currently subscribed to. This makes it much easier to find and manage specific items without scrolling through everything. Once you click this, you'll see a complete list of all the workshop items you're subscribed to across all your games. Now, navigate to the CSGO workshop map you want to unsubscribe from. When you hover your mouse over the subscribe button next to the workshop item, you'll notice it changes to unsubscribe. This visual change confirms you're about to remove this item from your subscriptions. Go ahead and click unsubscribe, and the system will automatically remove that workshop map from your subscribed list. The unsubscription happens instantly, so you don't need to wait for any confirmation or additional steps. If you have multiple CSGO workshop maps you want to unsubscribe from, simply repeat these same steps for each one. Just hover over the subscribe button for each map, let it change to unsubscribe, and click it. This way you can clean up your workshop subscriptions and free up space, or just remove content you no longer use. And that's it, you've successfully unsubscribed from CSGO workshop maps in Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.